The Mazda range will see a new entry in 2025 with the CX-50 Hybrid. It is now an environmentally responsible choice in the brand's SUV lineup, joining the well-liked non-hybrid model. Depending on the specification and extras, the 2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid might cost anywhere from $35,390 to $41,470. Under the hood of the CX-50 Hybrid, Mazda installed the powertrain that it had taken from the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and 3 electric motors make up the arrangement, which produces 219 horsepower. Every model has a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and all-wheel drive. Although we haven't had an opportunity to test drive the CX-50 Hybrid yet, we anticipate that it will be just as enjoyable to drive as the non-hybrid variant. Although we haven't tried it yet, the new CX-50 Hybrid should accelerate nearly as quickly as the Toyota, taking 7.3 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. This is because it shares a motor with the RAV4 Hybrid. We will provide our instrumented testing results and update this report once we get the CX-50 Hybrid on our test track. The CX-50 Hybrid has a maximum towing capacity of 1,500 pounds, although the non-hybrid vehicle can tow up to 2,000 pounds. For both models, Mazda provides an optional electrical hookup equipment and tow hitch. Although the EPA's complete evaluation on the CX-50 Hybrid's fuel efficiency hasn't been released yet, Mazda says it anticipates receiving a combined 38 miles per gallon rating from the government body. We'll test drive the CX-50 Hybrid on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route when we have an opportunity, and we'll update this story with actual test findings. The CX-50 Hybrid's 2 rows of seats can accommodate up to 5 passengers, just like the non-hybrid model does. Although the rear seat capacity is below average for the class, the front seats are supportive and comfy. It should be noted that the Mazda CX-5, which should not be mistaken with the CX-50, has higher headroom. Premium materials are used in the construction of the cabin, particularly in the upscale Premium Plus trim, which comes with black leather upholstery and brown stitching for contrast.